I'm Roger. Welcome to the shop. This is just a little quick update on this Epson EcoTank ET2800 printer I did a video about here a couple days ago. That was purchased as a basket case from eBay. It didn't print. I mean, it just was tore up. A lot of pieces have been broken. There was ink smudges all over the outside of the printer. Here it is. And of course, if you watch that video on cleaning the nozzles and how I got it working, as you can see here, it makes absolutely perfect prints. So how did I clean this up? And how did I put it together? Well, it was a matter of using CA glue on some of the plastic pieces and my hot glue gun on some of the other pieces, and then coming up with some screws to put it together again. So okay, got everything back together then, and now I've got this printer with just ink smudged all over it. So what did I use to clean it? Right here. Goop. Shop towels. It took it right off and it cleaned it all up a little and made it look nice again, and it's mostly all nice and white, as you can see here on the little view going around it. So yes, it works. Was it worth the hassle? Yes, it was. Not that I needed another sublimation printer. I've already got two. Now I got three. So I guess I can do 3 times the work. I don't know. But that's just a little bit of a quick update on getting this printer put back together and cleaned up and functioning. If you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. There'll be a link, some links down here at the end, and you can go back and you can see how this printer was purchased and what I had to go through to get it working. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.